Alright, Bambi, let's go into CC's Pizza. No, Dave, I want Burger King. Please let me get Burger King. No, Bambi, we are getting CC's Pizza for lunch. You can get Burger King another time.
If you don't let me get Burger King right now, I'll destroy the buildings. Ah!
Bambi, if you destroy the buildings, you will be executed for terrorism.
I don't care if you take me into CC's Pizza, I will destroy everything.
For the last time, Bambi. No, we are not getting Burger King. We are getting CC's Pizza.
That's it, Dave. I am going to destroy the buildings. Bambi, how do you destroy the buildings? You're gonna go for some time. That means no food, no water, no Burger King, no video games, and no sleeping. Go home now.